So today I'm going to show you just a quick video about how I customized my drop leg holster to look like the Shadow of the Tomb Raider one. I bought this drop leg holster from eBay for $17.99. I can put the link in the description if anyone is interested. First thing I needed to do was remove the flashlight and the extra magazine holder. And then I needed to remove the holster itself. It's held by 3 screws from the back, very easy to remove. And the reason I need to do this is because I need to lay masking tape down in a stripy pattern, and so in like a parallel fashion, so I can paint very easily and freely without having too many things obstructing my painting. Once you have it all laid out, like the reference photo, it is time to paint. I tried with just acrylic paint, and that didn't really stick very well to the plastic. So then I mixed it with Podge, which is like a clear coating paint, transparent paint, and it worked really well. It actually stuck on there, and it became very opaque after only 2 coats. And here I am removing the masking tape. There were some mishaps, but very easy to scratch off, especially because it wasn't completely dry. So I recommend that you remove the masking tape before things dry, and do not wait until it's all dry like I did, because it's horrible. It tries to pull up all the paint and everything. And then I reattached the holster. And then I gave it a final coat of Mod Podge in order to seal the whole design on, and I wouldn't have to worry about water damage or scratching off or anything. And finally, all we have to do now is just stitch on the design that is shown in the reference photo, and you'll be essentially done. I used normal thread and needle. Regular needles are able to go through webbing very easily, thank goodness, because I think it's because it's a porous surface, and so it's very easy to stitch. I think this might be the easiest part of the costume. All you need to do is just modify, paint, and stitch. I really hope that it was helpful to you guys. I know that it was definitely a nice break from all the heavy-duty stuff that I had to do for this costume. After I finish the cargo pants and upload the tutorial, I will be doing a costume test, so you've got that to look forward to. I know I'm excited. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.